them at 0945-800-7074. Experience a special moment, how it should be, at Cora's Manor and Garden.
Are you looking for construction services? Art Construction Services is the name of the game. They do civil works and engineering, structural waterproofing, swimming pools, road constructions, condominiums, big warehouses, at marami pang iba. Art Construction Services, pulido ang trabaho at tapat sa serbisyo. Main office, Saging Dinalupihan, Bataan, at may satellite office sa may Bunuan Gazette, Dagupan City. You may contact Miss Tyra Sweet at 0962-806-7360. Art Construction Services. Kapaborito, 7:30 na.
Time check is brought to you by Anli Serbisyo Bunuan Gazette. Sa pagunlad, disiplina at pagkakaisa ang kailangan. By Cap Noel Bumanlad.
This is DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, whose sole mission is to inform, to educate, to entertain, delivering to all Pangasinenses news that is true, public service that is sincere, commentary that is fair, and entertainment that is proudly Pangasinense. This is your DWJE 88.1 FM Radio Pangasinan, going beyond just being number one, working towards total domination.
Jad Dagupan, walay saksakay ang radio station ya iyayag nasaray Dagupenyo. Jad Bunuan Binlog,
Paborito.
Bunuan Bukid,
Paborito.
Bunuan Geset,
Paborito.
Kalmay,
Paborito.
Karae,
Paborito.
Tanjad Karanglaan,
Paborito.
Aya, so
88.1 Radyo Pangasinan. This is Pangasinan Gulf Waves Network Corporation in Dagupan City. DWJE 88.1 FM Radyo Pangasinan. Ang susunod na programa ay rated GP.
GP? Ano yun?
Garantisadong pampaborito! Sa iprograman mangiter, nadalan at saray ay sa kialinawa. Tang opinyon, unong liknaan na saray umbali at saray issue. Yung makakaapekto at bilay. Kawayangan, tan kanupugan na balang sinansakay. Liknaay Baley! Kaulok, tan kaentabay. Susaray manangilaban at kanupugan tan kawayangan at saray umbalay. Kapaborito RJ Jimenez, tan kapaborito Joseph Kanilang Bakani. Liknaay